How to add picture to a TikTok video. Now it's very simple as to what you're talking about. If you're talking about adding a picture to a TikTok video, let's say you're trying to upload a video right here. So you go to your tab, you go to the videos option, and then you select maybe a certain video of your choice right here, and then you just take the next option. Now I want to add a picture on top of this video, let's say, right? So here you can see a couple of options. You can see add yours, you can see templates, you can see edits or options as such. But what you can do to add a photo to this is first you can tap the next option, and then you can come back, and once you've selected that video, you can also come to photos and select a photo. So select one video and select the photos that you want on top of it, and once done you can just hit the next option and the video will be added along with the photo. Then this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add picture to basically any TikTok video. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.